name is Avery. I'm going to be showing you how to make a fishtail bracelet. So first, you take your first color for your bracelet and you make it into an 8 shape and you put it on your first 2 pieces of your rainbow loom. Now you take your black, whatever your color you're doing, and you just put it on there, but just in like a regular color, like that. And then you take another white, push that black down, and then put the white on.
And keep on going until it fits all around your wrist.
Yeah, and if you need someone to measure it on, you can measure it on them. So you know, first I gotta find my tip. I can't even find it. Where's my tip?
Okay.